Definitely somebody.
This is a Storm Center update from Tulsa's severe weather station, 102.3 KRMG. Storm Center coverage starts now.
This is Don Bishop in the KRMG Storm Center tonight with the latest information from the National Weather Service. They've issued a severe thunderstorm warning that does not go into effect until 3 in the morning, but it stays into effect until midnight Wednesday night. All of this because of heavy snow is likely to spread in northeast Oklahoma late tonight into the morning. 4 to 6 inches, locally 8 inches of snow is possible, but they're saying this is all going to happen along the I-44 corridor. That is the highway that runs from Tulsa to Oklahoma City, and we're right in the middle of it tonight. So expect heavy snow and problems that go with it in the traffic. We'll have that covered for you tomorrow morning. But until then, we have this winter storm warning in effect starting at 3 in the morning and lasting until 3, that is midnight Wednesday night. Our next update comes up in 15 minutes or less on News 102.3 KRMG, the weather station.